Abalungi Bebasinga Obungi Ababi.
Eyalama, ejokedeke, tikolo yangatwana, ejokedeke, eyalama, ejokedeke, tikolo yangatwana, ejokedeke, eyalama, no, eyalama, no.
Abatula mwebale DreamTV program Abalungi Bebasinga Obungi Ababi. Oluyimba olwo lubadde lutegeeza.
Thank you. It's a song that is sung to thank God.
Njagala abatula batutandikira nti ng'eggwanga Uganda nsi ki gye tulina okwebaza oba muntu ki gwe tulina okwebaza oba kintu ki kye tulina okwebaza ekitufudde kye tuli ng'eggwanga. Ekibuuzo ekyo si kyange nti buli muntu alina gw'asobola okwebaza. Abamu oyinza okwebaza maama wo, abalala webaza taata wo okukuweerera oba maama wo okukulabirira n'okwagala byonna ebyo. Abalala yeebaza embeera engeri gy'agiyiseemu. Olwaleero Uganda erina kwebaza ani agifudde kyeri olwaleero. Tube banaku, tube baavu, tube bagagga, tube balwadde, tube bayala. Ani gwe twebaza okutufuula ekyo kye tuli olwaleero. Kansokere ku ggwe ng'omuntu wawe. Mpozi oli bayogera amannya go bakutegeera.
Hello and welcome back to the show. My name is Akello Alison Mary.
Okomyawo?
Akello Alison
Mpozi
Mary.
mwe ewammwe temulanya, ewaffe tumanyi okulanya. Like I'm Akello Alison, nvamu, I come from this family until
and then
that's what they say.
Tambulango Muganda.
Kutambulango Muganda. Now tambulango muiteso. Tambulango muiteso.
No, I don't know how to say it in Ateso. My name is Akello Alison Mary. I come from the family of Ekale. Like my clan is Itekok. Itekok means peacemakers. We come from Katakwi village Atirir. My grandfather is called Mr.
Grandfather, Mr. Actually, is he?
Yes.
Okay.
It's called Mr. Otoko.
Okay. Now, so who do you think among all those?
As a person?
Yeah, as a person. Who do you feel like I need to thank that person? Because yankolera chichendi today. Who?
Personally, I think I would thank God because I believe in as much as we would want to say.
No.
Hold on, Miss Anne,
No,
this is my
don't
opinion.
bring God in here.
No, I'm saying personally, it's my opinion.
When you bring in God,
hey,
that is escapism.
I'm not escaping
you
anything.
You are escaping from my question.
I'm telling you the truth.
Of course, the ultimate truth and whatever will be to God.
Yes.
But don't jump into it. Njagala wanombulire. Who do you think?
My mom and dad.
Why?
Because they've been supportive.
Otegeeza ki nti babadde support?
Through all situations, they have been the backbone of it. They are like that spinal
Give
cord.
me one example.
For example, let me say, when I went for Miss Tourism, first time I decided to contest. So Miss Tourism has 3 levels. So there is the regional, which happens in different regions: Central, Western, Eastern, but they said Teso, Northern, Western, like that. So when I decided to go for mysteries in Teso, it was like the first time I was ever taking up a leadership role. In school, I had never, ever. I was never anywhere. Not in leadership, not class monitress, nothing. I was not anything. So, but there were other people that said, is this what you want to do? Are you sure? Why are you going for it? What's the goal? How do you intend to win? How do you intend to manage? What do you need? How can we support you? And besides, I didn't know much about Teso, but they took me through all of it.
So, your mother, Netatawu, Bebakuyambo College.
Through the decision making, through the strategies, everything.
Who thanks you?
I don't know. I think then we have to find out.
Ani Okwebaza, where you thank your mother and father for grooming you and bringing you up, for being supportive. Kakati gwani Okwebaza, and what have you done?
Does this mean that those people who think you can actually get inspired by you?
Yes and no.
Until now, there's yes and no.
Yeah, inspiration. You can, a tree can inspire you.
Yeah, but
you don't go and thank it. Somebody can inspire you, but it doesn't mean
now.
Kakati Ggwe ani Okwebaza.
Hopefully we're working through it.
Naganti Akello. Yankolera bwati banaye nebaza Akello. Who is that?
There are quite a lot of people that I have
like
worked through things with. They can be thankful. I have friends, Apple and Eve, Fairly Stars, my sister, my sisters, cousins.
But like, they thank you.
Yes, like and in certain situations. Anything. I have a sister who did tailoring.
Tailoring?
Yes.
Okay.
So at first when she did, she was trying to, when you're just starting, it's usually hard for anybody who's starting in any kind of sector. It's hard. So she was trying to deviate from it because she didn't think it was going to take her anywhere. So when I realized that I had gotten to a point where I was in touch with other tailors who were much better than her and that where she could pick ideas from, I introduced her to them, and gladly now she's working with some of them and she's thankful, you know, and keep pushing her to do better and grow her brand.
What would you thank yourself for?
Myself.
Yeah.
For being patient, I would thank myself.
Only patient?
Yes. I am
okay,
very
now we
patient.
go to the nation.
Yes.
Uganda olowooza nga gwe Miss Tourism. Uganda erina kwebaza ani? Erina kwebaza ki? For example, waliwo abaatufuga, abazungu baatufuga, Amini n'atufuga, Obote n'atufuga, Lutwa n'atufuga, Lule n'atufuga, niyo mulala kati Museveni simanyi n'abo ne mu Afrika yonna abalala abaani Banyerere Bankuruma Bakenyatta. Kakati twebaza ani atufudde Kyetuli olwaleero?
My opinion is that we should thank the people in Uganda. People wake up every day and go to work, and they're the ones who contribute to the growth and development of the country actually. Because of their work, they pay taxes, they're able to wake up and go every day. And they're the ones who are keeping the environment. We can't even say that, oh, we thank God because we have tourism. If we didn't have that people living in those places, we wouldn't know about it.
But what about the people abatakol?
What if they're doing something to contribute to their own growth or to the growth of other people? Yeah, that's true. Not everybody goes to work. Not everybody actually.
So as a nation, we should thank the people the Ugandans.
Who make sacrifices every day. And everybody is making some sort of sacrifice.
Money sacrifice is intended for somebody else, not for you. So they do.
Actually, that's the thing. There are some people who don't work. There are some people who don't work.
Yep.
And it's because they're sacrificing all of that time for someone else. You just never know.
Kakati Weebaza abakola
I'm thanking everybody who goes to work.
Sacrifice.
Mr. Alex, I think that if you get up and live, imagine in Uganda, if you actually have to beat time, you have to be up by like 4 a.m. Then you have to beat traffic. If you actually have to get to work by like 8. Then you have to come back from work at 5. You find traffic, you reach home like at 9. If you have a family, for example, you're sacrificing because you want them to be happy. You're working towards their growth.
After thanking Ugandans, who should Ugandans thank? Kati fe tubebaziza for their sacrifice.
Kati awe echo
bo bebazani.
As Ugandans, Mr. Alex.
Twebaza nga bannayuganda. Nti oyo oba eggwanga gundi oba Bufalansa oba Bungereza oba Amerika nti tulyebaza oba Isirayiri ebintu ng'ebyo.
Kati
oba omuntu individual tugambe nti oba Mandela oba Gandhi oba ani eggwanga lino bannayuganda balina kwebaza ani alikoze okutuuka we lituuse olwaleero. Beebaze Museveni, beebaze Tito Okello, beebaze Lutwa Manya, beebaze Amini, beebaze Obote. Ani atutuusizza wano. Nze njagala nnyo n'amakanisa gonna gayingire mu kwebaza. Tugaye nti eggwanga lino lirina okwebaza omuntu gundi oba eggwanga gundi eryatuleetera okuba kino kitukola kye tuliko. Ekyatuleetera essanyu oba emirembe. Owulidde? Oba development. Ani gwe twebaza? Nze njagala nnyo okumanya ngende nange mwebaze. Njagala nnyo ngende mwebaze. Bw'oŋŋamba nti twebaze Museveni,
Mr. Alex,
njagala ngende mwebaze nange nti wamma weebaze. Bw'oŋŋamba nti Obote, nga ngende eri gye baamuziika akokolo ku ntaanaye nga muga nti munnange weebaze. Njagala nange neebazeeko ku bantu abatufudde kye tuli.
I believe that in as much as we over-complain about the government, it has also played a big role in how far we have come.
The government?
Yes, because literally, if we didn't have the government and their plans and whatever they have to do for this country, then they wouldn't be able to go and tell China or tell US or tell UK that, we need this amount of money to do this. We need this amount of money to do this. We need you to help us bring people who are more experienced in doing this. Yeah, they do it.
Yeah.
They do it. That means they have a plan. They have a plan for where they want the country to go. So that means that we literally have to thank everybody because they're doing one thing or another to grow the country.
Chongamba, what you're telling me, nti twebaze government. Government ki? Kuba zibadde nnyingi. Eno yokka. Waliwo Obote, waliwo Yami, waliwo Yamutesi.
I feel like each of the governments in their own terms have done one thing or another to contribute to where the country is at the moment.
Kati eno ekoze ki government eriko?
We have a lot of development. Now there is PDM. Now there is PDM. There is Atiwell. You want only one thing. Yeah.
We have
over-complained about roads, and now they are working on it.
And listen, the reason I ask you this question is because I want to find what makes us proud to be Ugandans.
Now, let me also first ask you, what makes you proud to be a Ugandan?
Tell you the truth, Mchala Akello. Really proud to be a Ugandan.
Why? Why not?
Because I'm trying to censor myself. I'm censoring myself, but I have to censor my words, okay? I'm really proud to be a Uganda.
Why?
But I'm proud to be a Muganda.
Why are you not proud to? Okay, why are you proud to be a Muganda?
Because I know why I am a Muganda, but I don't know why I'm a Uganda.
Okay, why are you a Muganda?
Kubanga ntawo nyinza okutambula ng'Omuganda. Olidde? Nendayira bajjajjange mbidde, muwemba mbidde, ayebase emisebe, biki, mu lujja lwaki, byonna ne mbireeta. So I know why I'm a Muganda.
So,
but I don't know why I'm a Ugandan.
What do you mean you don't know why you're Ugandan?
Do you know?
Well, we are living in this country.
Why?
Mr. Alex, the reason you go to work every day, isn't it that you pay taxes to this country?
I don't know.
You do?
I don't know. Nabayo. Why am I? The kankubulire gwe. Nabayo.
Hey.
Tetuli proud kuba na Uganda. When now you are proud to be an Iteso. But not a Uganda. I'm telling you, ubakugamba to choose between the two, you will choose the Iteso. not a Uganda. Uganda is very fake.
Why would you say that?
It's fake. What does it mean?
No, why would you say
Muzungu colonialists batugata bweba. Nebachireta.
Kati Mr. Alex, you wanted us not to
do what?
To you said bazungu bebatu.
Bebagata.
Kati you didn't want us to be like that.
No.
Why not?
Because everybody is everyone. Chenkugamba chichi. Ntegeza che. You are Iteso. Why should you be bundled up with the Muganda? Why?
Gross. The last time we went the show, you said that it's important.
Is a German person bundled up with a French person? What do you should have you?
Mr. Alex, I think different nations grade differently. But also, you see, okay, let's take, for example, the US. The US is majorly built on immigrants.
The what?
The US is majorly built on immigrants. There's so many people that come from different places.
Yeah.
But it's growing. So I'm trying to say Uganda can't grow or something else is living.
It is not growing.
What is it?
It is messing up the world, the whole world. Labayo. America to be what it is today. They took slaves.
Yes, and that's what I'm saying.
To dig for them.
Immigrants.
Those are not immigrants. A slave is not an immigrant, my dear.
But he's there.
An immigrant is a person nkatinganze never one.
No genda.
Mu America.
Hey. Kati Mr. Alex baite baba bano ne bagenda.
Yeah, but bontwalira mu chains. Siba immigrant. Mba slave. Mba musibe. Mba prison.
Slave.
So they took us like prisoners. They didn't take us like immigrants. Today, immigrants are okay. Babatwa.
Kati Mr. Alex, kati let me first ask you, like today, and we are saying those days they used to tie slaves by their hands and what and take them on chains, but today we have a system where many girls like around my age, they finish school, they fail to find jobs here, and then they go and start working in different countries, right? Start working as maids, or security guards. Yes. What do you consider that? Is it modern day slavery? Are they immigrants? What are they?
No, it is betrayal.
What do you mean betrayal?
They have betrayed their country. So why should I go to London over to Dubai to work for an Arab person? Why? For money?
That's why they go, for money.
Can you imagine if it was a woman with a husband, a wife with a husband, and somebody goes there and commits adultery in the name of money? We didn't have food at home, therefore I did adultery. I committed adultery.
But doesn't that happen also here?
And the people who go out from here
and go,
they are economic refugees, not even immigrants. Not even immigrants.
But they left here willingly.
Not willingly. Somehow they didn't
the situation led them.
Somehow they didn't have anybody to thank. In one or the other.
What do you mean why somehow they didn't have anybody to thank?
I think nobody has done nothing for them. So they say, here we are, nothing. Therefore, let's go wherever we can go. And they go.
But you see, they come back and still build and get their things together.
Not all of them. Some
them.
Come back dead. Some come back homosexuals. Some come back lesbians. Listen, if you don't have anybody to thank for who you are as a person or as a nation, If you don't have anybody to thank you for what you did for them, then there's a little problem there, which arises to a question that what have you been doing? What is your story?
The whole time.
Hey, what is your story? Yeah. Why don't people thank you? Why don't you have anybody to thank?
Selfish.
Also,
there could be a reason as people don't have anybody to thank.
Yeah.
And it may be them as a person.
The reason is there. And somebody has nobody to thank because nobody did anything for her, for him. Now, that's a dangerous position to be.
Mr. Alex, who do you thank?
Or you say no, or you see this guitar?
I see it very well, very clearly.
Ojiraba, kakati, the musika, the hair of my father. Mukulu, my older brother. Ye yalimba eka. Yalimba, he told lies at your home. Because he was going to study in Namiriango College. And that they need a guitar. He has to go with a guitar. So they bought him a guitar. So he brought it back home. Atinetandika to learn to play it. And in a few months and weeks, I was better than him.
But does he do music now?
He died. Kanzike story. Kakati, when I played the guitar better than him, those other younger brother what akuba guitar sing and gave it up. So he left it to me. Not this one.
Yes, I know that.
Yeah. So I started playing that guitar. But that brother of mine, in spite of all the riches he inherited from our father, and he died a very poor boy. But then, for me, I had the guitar. Up to today, Ninkuba music. Kakati. I thank him, although he didn't know that he was, I think, giving me my life. My lifeline, Kukuba Chichi?
Guitar.
Yeah. So, when you ask me that, who do you thank? Number one, him. Why? He didn't know lie. He was giving me a lifeline.
His little lie. His little lie.
His little lie. White lie. But it's a white lie.
White lie.
Kakati. Ndi one. Guitar. Up to now.
How you say that's one, too?
Number two. Gwetuba are the Catholic sisters. Abansomesa. Mother Karoli, Sister Tassisius, Sister Xavier, Sister Bokmans, Fetwamuitanga Bokmans, Ninga Bokman. Yatuma Obuli Musukari for 1 month. We failed to speak this word bird. B-I-R-D.
Bird.
Bird. Bird. Prophetic bird. That's not English. Yali akapa from whatever. Sister Bokman, Xavier, Sister Peter, Yanyimbisanga. Bebaza. Because of the discipline they put in me. Nolaba sistanga akutte ekitabo bwati. Notadduka muyamba to help. So we learned all those things through them. So I thank them for that discipline. Ababikira banyamba nnyo okumpa discipline when I was young, primary school. Nakati nkakazi, it is what I base on to do whatever I do.
Okay.
Abo babiri. So now you tell me your mpozi wongambia ni.
Nakugambia my parents.
Atomula.
I have an uncle. 2 who have been very helpful. Not even two. Just literally everybody in my life has been helpful in one way or another.
Neka teka twebaze ne pastor Serwadde okutuwa ekiseera kye ku TV okitege naye ka tumwebaze pastor Serwadde Bishop Weebale nze nti muyita past naye nga yakula dda alina ebitiibwa bingi kakati nenze bwe namumanyira yali pastor evangelist naye kakati Dr. Mulamba so naye tumwebaza okutuwa obudde Mukama yebaze.